Is the company charging the onboarding cost to the new employer or the employee? So I guess this goes back to the point that you mentioned about someone leaving within their probation.
100%. That's a very good question. The answer is it's charged to the new employer, and the mechanism that they have laid out as per the law, which unfortunately we still haven't seen being laid out in practice, which is the fact that this reimbursement is meant to happen between both companies, both employers, old and new, through the authority. So the company is not going to go out and reach out to the other employer. So this is meant to happen through the authority, as they are able to keep track once they're issuing a new work permit for an employee. And if they do have the record that that employee was basically has resigned during probation, then that reimbursement will happen through the authority directly, not from the employee, and not directly from one employer to another. But as I said, Rehan, because we've not seen that practically happen yet, that mechanism is not there. So what we have seen, practically speaking, is that companies have opted for now to mention that these onboarding costs would be due from the employer or the employee, which we would not advise on, because as per the law, this reimbursement is meant to be paid by the new employer.